Antigravity is Google's powerful agentic AI IDE, a VS Code fork that excels at Flutter development. It can generate code, manage projects, run commands, and build full features using natural language. Here's a step-by-step setup. Download Antigravity. Go to antigravity.google and install the desktop app. Open or create a Flutter project. Open an existing Flutter project folder in Antigravity. Or ask the AI, create a new Flutter project named my_app with clean architecture. Install required extensions and MCP. Install the Dart and Flutter extensions inside Antigravity. Enable MCP servers, especially Dart and Flutter MCP, for deeper agent capabilities. Start building with the agent. Use the agent chat, right sidebar, with clear prompts. Create a beautiful login screen with email and Google Auth. Add state management using Riverpod and set up navigation with GoRouter. Build a product listing page with search and filters. Generate API service for Firebase. Key advantages: Antigravity can run Flutter PubAd, edit files, hot reload, and debug autonomously. Excellent for rapid prototyping and full app development. Works great with Firebase, Supabase, and other backends.